Hey, my name is Edward Reyes, and today we're going to talk about what happens when you extend the date on a contract for closing. So many agents, what they do is, let's say there's an issue that comes up between a seller and a buyer, and it delays closing for a little while. So the first thing that happens is that the seller or the buyer, primarily it's usually the buyer, needs to extend the closing date for financing or something to that effect. So what happens when you extend the closing date, that's great for closing, but all the other dates that were vital dates in the contract are no longer valid. So let's say, for example, you have a closing date on the 30th of March and you had to extend to April 15th. Well, if you had a financing contingency that expired in 30 days, now you're 2 weeks off. So God forbid the financing falls through on April the 8th. And you're trying to get your escrow money back. What happens? You lose your escrow deposit because now you lost that escrow, that contingency period of the 30-day protection for financing. Same goes for an inspection. Let's say you have a 15-day inspection or a 30-day inspection or whatever the case might be, you lose all those dates. So in a real estate contract, everything is very date-driven. Everything is very date-sensitive. And so when you move one date, yes, it's true, it moved that one date, but it didn't move all the other dates. So be very cognizant of moving dates in a real estate contract. Make sure you specify which dates you're trying to move to further protect yourself and your client. So if you have any questions on this, please give us a call, 813-421-3411.